So you're new to Blender and you're trying to figure out how to move the camera in Blender. Well, let me show you how. First, let's select the camera object. On the top right on the scene selection, click on Camera. Now the camera should be highlighted and you have selected the camera object. On the right side on the panel, you should be able to see the transformation bar. Here you can change the camera's parameters by sliding each one on the x-axis, the y-axis, the z-axis, and even rotate on x, y, and z. If you cannot see the transformation panel, make sure to click on the orange camera icon. You can alternatively move the camera by clicking on the third icon on the left side. Here you can press each individual arrows to move the camera. You can also rotate by clicking on the fourth icon from the top. And again, you can rotate the camera in all three axes. To be able to see the camera's perspective, on the right hand side, click on this icon. Or you can press 0 from your numpad. When in view, you can then use the panels on the right to change the location of the camera. Now you can ensure that the camera's perspective is able to view the object. Well, there you have it. You now are able to transform or move your camera and have fun using Blender. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe.